Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Still seeing cloudy conditions out there. We have seen the visibilities improve up around 5 miles at the moment. Still on the misty side out there, and ceiling sitting around 400 feet. Temperatures have warmed up to a couple degrees, around 49 degrees at the moment, with a light northwest wind. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we have this boundary that is continuing to sag into the local region that will bring us a chance for some precip moving into the area this afternoon, as well as another area low pressure that will ride along that boundary, bringing us a chance of another round of some precip moving through the overnight and into the early morning hours tomorrow, with the chance of seeing some snow mixing in with some of that precip, but not expecting anything too significant at the moment. If we look at the upper level winds from this morning's balloon sounding, we have generally west-southwesterly winds up to westerly winds as we go up through the column, and our peak wind is at 25,000 feet at 83 knots, and the freezing level is at 9,100 feet. If we take a look at the current local radar, we can see some returns in the region showing up, but no precip at the moment, but again expecting those chances to increase as we get later in the morning and into the afternoon hours this afternoon. Looking at the current visible satellite, we can see again plenty of cloud material over the area. We have seen those winds shift since the earlier briefing out of the northwest at the moment, starting to see that trend across the local area as that front drops through the area, but temperatures sitting in the mid to upper 40s over the local area at the moment, and those clouds not going away as we go throughout the day today. Let's take a look at the picture for today. Looking at the short-term high-resolution model, again as we go through the day, we'll expect chances to increase as we get into the afternoon, seeing some scattered light rain showers for the afternoon. Then we'll likely see those showers become more isolated, with a break in some of the activity as we get later into the evening, before another round of showers start to move into the area after midnight. And so we'll see some of those scattered showers moving in as the cooler air starts to move in. We could see some flurries and some snow mixing in on the back side of these showers, as you can see just a little bit being indicated here on this model. And again, with the warmer surfaces and just a brief period, not expecting any accumulation with this, so little to no accumulation, but could be mixing in on the backside as that cool air comes in. Then we'll see those showers push off the coast and things dry out for the day on Wednesday and into Wednesday evening. And then as we go into Thursday, the potential for another disturbance moving south of the area along a boundary. GFS here, as we zoom out, take a look at the global model. A little more bullish, with a little more precip moving into the area for the second half of the day on Thursday, but not expecting a lot of rain if we see any with this. Just a scattered light sprinkles of showers briefly in the afternoon, and then that should start to push off as we get into the evening. And then the Friday, where we'll see cooler temperatures and high pressure start to build in, with setting up for a very cold Saturday. Before that high pressure starts to move off to the east, we'll see those winds turn more southerly, and that will allow things to warm back up a bit as we get later into the weekend, and do have a chance of possibly seeing another short wave moving through the area late Sunday, bringing us a chance of rain, but not very good agreement with the models on this, so keep that at a low chance at the moment and keep our eye on it as we get closer to the time frame. And then things should clear out as we get into the beginning of next week, with high pressure building and keeping things quiet for the start of the week. So looking at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, expecting our high temperature this morning. Temperature actually sitting around 49, so that'll likely be just about our high for today, and then we'll start seeing temperatures start to drop as we go throughout the day today. But yellow chance for precip this morning as we see those showers start to approach the area, and as we get into the afternoon, again expecting a pretty good chance of seeing scattered light rain showers as we go into the afternoon. And we'll see temperatures steadily decreasing as we go into the evening hours, with those winds becoming more north and northeasterly through the overnight hours, and as we get into the morning, expecting a low around 32, with that next round of showers moving through, bringing us a red chance of seeing those some precip moving through in the early morning hours Wednesday, and again that chance of seeing a transition to snow before we start the day on Wednesday, but again little to no accumulation expected at this time. And we do have red chance this morning with those reduced ceilings, and then as we go throughout the day, expecting to keep chances of reduced ceilings and visibility into the evening and into the morning hours for tomorrow. Tides are running slightly above normal. As we go into Wednesday, we'll start off cloudy with a slight chance of a lingering rain shower or flurry early in the morning. So we do have that yellow chance for precip and reduced ceilings and visibilities, and then we'll see things start to clear out as we go throughout the day, becoming mostly to partly cloudy later in the day. But we will be on the chilly side with just a slight breeze, and expecting a high around 42, and that will probably be early to mid part of the day before things start to cool down again. Going into Wednesday evening, expecting a partly to mostly cloudy evening and a cold evening as well, with a low around 27, but green for our weather risk. And as we go into Thursday, we'll be mostly cloudy to overcast, and then we'll have that slight chance of an afternoon or evening light rain shower. Otherwise, seasonable day with a high around 42. Do have that yellow chance for precip and reduced ceilings and visibilities with those chances of a light shower in the afternoon. If you look at the extended forecast as we go into the day on Friday, expecting a dry and mostly a partly cloudy day with some sunshine coming out. We'll be on the breezy side and cooler temperatures with a high around 40 degrees. Going into Friday evening, expecting a pretty cold evening for Friday evening, with temperatures getting down to around 16 degrees for the morning Saturday. And we will see not much of a rebound in temperatures on Saturday, expecting the high to stay below freezing of 31, but otherwise a partly to mostly cloudy day and again cold. Going into Saturday evening, we'll see a low around 24, and then we'll see temperatures start to climb up a bit as we get into Sunday, back to more seasonable temperatures, or just above average, with a high around 49. Again, on the cloudy side for Sunday, and we do have that slight chance of seeing a PM shower or rain moving through with possible disturbance moving. But otherwise, as we get into Monday, things should start to clear out, becoming partly cloudy with a high around 50. Well, that will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.